Hey everybody, it's Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Today we're going to look at some positive news analyses out of CCN here. Crypto spring has arrived and institutional money will move in. That's according to Barry Silbert on dailyhodl.com. Bitcoin breakout to 10,000 brewing. Well, crypto analyst says Bitcoin is at a critical moment. On newsbtc.com, Bitcoin, after surging past resistance at $8,000, analysts expect to continue surging higher. We're also going to take a look at a new social network today in the form of Blabber. That's brought to us courtesy of the project review team on altcoinbuzz.io. We'll let you know what that is all about and point you in the direction of their project. It's very exciting. But let's begin here. Full disclosure, at the time of this video, Bitcoin is sitting at just over 8,000, about $8,050. Total market cap, $261.5 billion. So most of us know the story. After peaking at around $9,000 in May, Bitcoin crashed down to under 8K, but seems to be slowly recovering. Bitcoin was trading just shy of $8,000 earlier in the day and is now at $8,130 at press time. Overall, the top cryptocurrency is up about 2.72% over the past 24 hours. We've seen some positive price movements from the likes of Ethereum and XRP as well, but let's check out CoinGecko.com. As you can see, things are a little bit, moderate today as far as gains. Nothing too crazy, but you do have Ethereum up 3.5%, so sitting at 256. Litecoin is back down a little bit. There was a lot of exuberance over the past 48, 72 hours, back down to 134, but still up 28.7% on the week. Binance Coin, however, at $35.42. That's up 4.8% over the last 24 hours. They are at a new all-time high, as is indicated here. BNB just hit a new all-time high. Check out the all-time high page on CoinGecko.com if that is of interest to you. But Bitcoin SV among the top projects seems to take home the prize, up 11.9% over the last 24 hours. So moving on here on ccn.com, crypto spring has arrived and institutional money will move in. That's according to Barry Silbert. So Barry Silbert is the founder and CEO of the Digital Currency Group. He's been in the crypto market since 2011 and of course is no stranger to volatility. So he told Bloomberg, quote, "We've been through quite a roller coaster. Price has gone down 80%. 4 times, but in the past 4 times, the price has hit record highs afterward." And so if you look at the price for Bitcoin, it looks like perhaps we're coming out of the crypto winter and we've entered the crypto spring. Grayscale made the following tweet the other day on the 12th of June. "There is a generational shift in how investors think about gold. What does that mean with $68 trillion of wealth to be transferred from older to younger generations over the next 25 years? Hashtag drop gold." And according to Silbert, the market has responded positively to apparent demand from venture capitalists and institutional investors. The crypto bull noted that none of Bitcoin's previous price rallies had the same optimism. Quote, "If you compare the infrastructure today relative to where it was right before the last Bitcoin bull market in 2017, it's really night and day. And so now the question is not if institutional money is going to move into the asset class, but the question is really when." A sentiment that I have always echoed myself. Let us know if you guys agree with Barry Silbert. I think he's making some cogent points that I can't help but to agree with. Let us know your thoughts, of course, in the comments below. Here on dailyhodl.com, Bitcoin breakout to $10,000 brewing. Crypto analyst says Bitcoin at critical moment. According to the most popular crypto analyst on YouTube, Bitcoin is now one step away from a surge to $10,000. Nicholas Merton, aka Data Dash, says Bitcoin is, quote, "very likely to hit the big number if the leading cryptocurrency can rise above resistance, which is at $8,400. Quote, "We're trying to get a solid breakout above 81 or 8,200. And if we break out above 8,400, which is again the previous shoulder for Bitcoin, I would say that you're going to get your rally to $10,000. That would be very, very likely." However, Merton has cautioned that the bulls are not out of the woods just yet, since trading volume is key. Quote, "You want to see a little bit of that price gain kind of retrace. Not too significant, but at the same time, with little to no volume showing that buyers who bought at these levels are not selling. There's too much buy pressure and there's room for the price to continue." And I guess you could say that that's the case here. So I guess we can go ahead and add another voice to the chorus of bulls that are saying that really once we clear a certain hurdle, It's not to say that it's clear sailing. I don't want to sound overly optimistic or naive, but really once we get above the most critical resistance points, there's just not much in the way in terms of historical resistance, especially once we get above the 10, 12K mark. I think it's off to the races. Personally speaking, I'm not really much of a technical analyst, but that's the information that I've aggregated from people that are much smarter than myself. Here on newsbtc.com to close off this subject, Bitcoin, after surging past resistance at $8,000, analysts expect Bitcoin to continue surging higher. So if you want more of the same kinds of analyses and a take on why this is possible, why these price points are critical and key to the short-term future of Bitcoin, take a look at this article. We will link to it in the description below. And now here on altcoinbuzz.io, we're having a look at the new social network Blabber. This piece is brought to us by the project review team, but let's first take a look at their promo piece. This video is only a minute long, and it'll do a good job to frame the issue and the context of what this project is all about.
Blabber is a new social platform that rewards you for your activity on the network. It's pretty cool. Whether you follow someone, comment on posts, view ads, or like something, Blabber rewards you with BLA tokens for your social activities through a unique social mining protocol based on the EOS blockchain. Here's how it works. Every reward of BLA tokens is safely stored in your Blabber wallet and can be staked into the Blabber vault. Staking increases your mining level and enables you to receive additional rewards for interacting with the community. The more BLA tokens you stake into the Blabber vault, the higher your mining level rises and the more rewards you will receive. So it's worth keeping your BLA tokens in the vault. The tokens gained in this way can be exchanged for all sorts of products available on the Blabber marketplace or traded for any other cryptocurrency. The Blabber marketplace accepts up to 100% of the sales price in BLA tokens, but also offers other popular payment methods, such as credit card, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. To learn more about Blabber's social platform, its marketplace, or social mining, visit blabber.mc.
All right, there we go. So Blabber is a social platform that rewards users for social activities with the BLA token based on the EOS blockchain using a unique mining protocol. So with a complete and fully functional product release, Blabber is announcing how they will dramatically change today's social media landscape by turning users into entrepreneurs who are paid for consuming advertising on their platform. Okay, so that's a transparent way of just setting down, laying out the cards and letting us know what it's all about. Fair enough. Blockchain technology makes it possible to pay users instantaneously for any contributions made while being active on the platform, whilst allowing advertisers to embrace this radically different approach. Blabber will be holding an IEO on the 21st of June on IDAX. So that's coming up pretty quickly, just over a week away. The problem today is that you have this $98 billion industry, this social media industry in 2019, that basically generates profits off the backs of users' data, often without their explicit consent. And this is a cumulative effect. I mean, they have mountains of data on all of their users. It allows them to target and retarget user activities on websites in what is described here as an ever-escalating process. Of course, that ties back into the advertisers. So in this construct, users are forced to accept legacy social networks that allow for little flexibility to adapt to a user's particular requirements. So this market for social media advertising is expected to grow from $98 billion to $187 billion by 2023. That's going to be led most likely by the US and China, who will represent the largest single markets, followed by Europe. And mobile applications will grow and represent about 80%, almost 80% by 2023. So the plan for Blabber is to attain 2 million users within 24 months. Advertisers will be pleased to find targeted consumers with Blabber because users will receive Blabber tokens for consuming ads and providing limited data to advertisers. You can take a look at the team here, including the CEO, Michael Freund, the COO, Michael Gaeta, and the CFO, Walter Nagel. More information can be found here, courtesy of the Project Reviews team write-up about the platform, what social mining is all about, what the marketplace is going to look like, what the advertisers platform will resemble, and the standard wallet, as well as the Pro wallet, which is going to be a feature. As far as the BLA token ecosystem? Well, the token is the required vehicle to reward and incentivize users, and users can stake, as we saw in the video, BLA tokens and mine them through social activity. The amount of BLA tokens held will influence the rewards provided for activities. The BLA token will issue at $0.02, that's 2 cents, and trade initially on IDAX, later on other exchanges. For a look at the roadmap and what Blabber has in store, you can take a look at the website, which we're going to visit in just a moment. There's all kinds of other news here and updates that they have lined up, so do be sure to check out this article in full for more information. Don't forget that the BLA token pre-sale event was sold out within 5 days, but the public sale is going to start on the 21st of June and run to the 22nd, and that's with IDAX. For more information on the IEO token distribution, you can check out this table here that's been put together. The mobile app, well, the Blabber mobile app can show where the next event is taking place, reveal new connections to like-minded people in a certain location, or suggest where to find the next crypto meetup nearby. Blabber also offers many different features, but they are all based on one common aspect: location. So you can download the app on iOS and Android to check out these cool features. If you want to learn more, you can check out, of course, the website, the iOS app, the Android app. They're also on Telegram, Twitter, and you can also contact Michael Gaeta if you're interested. As well, you can check out the explainer video that we featured at the outset of this segment. But check out the website, guys. Here it is, blabber.mc. And if you want to check out more information about this exciting project, we encourage you to visit the site. Again, we're going to link to this, of course, and as always, in the description below. Well, that about rounds it out for today's news, everyone. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels, and do keep checking back into our website, altcoinbuzz.io. Hey, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. Have a great Thursday, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, and best of luck if you choose to invest. But we do hope to see you again soon, of course, in our next video. Take care.